Good morning children, Saira. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Children, today we will start a new chapter number 8, Graphics in QBasic, part 1. Children, in this chapter we will cover the following topics. First of all, review of QBasic. After that, we will discuss about constant and variables. After that, QBasic statements, then using graphics, after that screen statements, and then color statements, line statement, drawing boxes, circle statement, and lastly we will discuss about creating sound in QBasic. Okay children? Now children, first of all review of QBasic. Children, QBasic is a programming language developed by Microsoft in 1985. It is the successor of earlier forms of BASIC. Beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. This is the full form of BASIC. Okay. QBasic is an ideal programming language for beginners because of its simple commands, improved programming structure, better graphics and flexibility. Children, it is an integrated development environment IDE to write, edit, debug and execute basic programs. Okay children? Now children, constant and variables. Look at the screen children. This is the constant. First of all, constant. Children, constant means values that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants are of two types: numeric constant and character constant. First of all, numeric constant. Children, as you know, they are further divided into two types: integer and constants. Integer constant are positive or negative numbers, okay, without any fractional part. Example, 1 2 means 12, 234 or negative value minus 786, etc. Okay. Then real constants are the numbers which are with a fractional part, that is 75.5, 46.25, etc. Okay. Clear? These are numeric constant. Now come to the character constant. Children, character constant are also of two types: single character constant and string means multiple character constant. Okay. Children, a single character constant contains only a single character enclosed in a double quote. Okay, double quote means if you are writing D, then double quotes. Okay, if you are writing F, double quotes within a double quotes. A string constant is sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. That is, if you are writing any word, write down caps, then write down within a quotes, double quotes. Welcome to basic programming within a double quotes. Okay children? Now come to the variables. Children, the variable is a name which can contain a value. Okay, value. It continues to hold the value until another value is assigned to it. Suppose A is the variable and we are assigning the value 2. Means A value assigned to the variable A. This is the variable A. Okay. A variable has a type which is defined by the kind of value it holds. Now again it is divided into two parts: numeric and string variable. Numeric variable, as you know, it can hold only numbers. Okay, that can be integer, floating, decimal or long integer. It is represented by an alphabet. Okay, suppose b is the variable, we are assigning the value 3 in b variable. The numeric variable should not contain any space or symbol. Means numeric variable, if you are assigning, it should not contain any symbol like this one, question mark, this is the symbol, special symbols, characters, colon, etc. Example, children, example, A assigning 5 means the value 5 is assigned to the variable A. Okay, this one, value 5 is assigning to the variable A. Now come to the string variable. Children, a string variable contains symbols, values or text within the double quotes. Okay, this one. Okay, it is represented by a alphabet followed by the dollar sign. You have to write this one, string variable, you have to write like this, a dollar sign you have to mention here is equal to, or within a quotes you write down any string, kips. Okay, this is string variable. Now come to the children, getting started and QBasic statement. Now getting started, children, double click on the QBasic icon on the desktop to start QBasic. The QBasic window will appear. This is a QBasic window. It will appear welcome dialog box. Press escape key to hide the welcome dialog. Type the following program and press F5 key to run the program. This program you have to write, this is the example, CLS means clear the screen, then print welcome to the world of computer, and lastly you have to mention here and, you have to write and the program. Okay, this is the QBasic window. Clear? Now children, come to the, look at the screen. QBasic statement, children, as you know, the QBasic statement will start with CLS. Start CLS. This is the program how to write. CLS stand for clear the screen. Okay. Then write down print statement. Print statement is used to display any message on the output of a program. The message has to be enclosed within a quotes, but the constant variables expression can be expressed as such. This example you can see, this is the example. First of all write down CLS, then A is equal to 50 and then 100 is assigning the value to the variable B. Two variables are there, A and B. We are assigning the values. Then print the value of A and B. Okay, you have to write in a quotes. It will print the value just after the statement, and then print AB. It will print the value after leaving some spaces. Then print A plus B. It will print the sum of the values of A and B variable's value, and then lastly AND. This is the QBasic window. Okay children. Now children, input command. Input command is used to enter the values. Okay, either it is text or number while the programming is being executed. Okay, this command waits for the user to enter the information and assign the value accordingly. Okay, syntax is line number you have to mention, then input write down, and within write down numeric or string variable name, and then line number. See, this is the line number, then write down input, and after that A is the numeric or string variable name. Okay, you can also have a list of variables in the input statement, but they should be separated by commas. Okay, now children, look at the example. This is the example. Type the following program, press F5 to execute. Children, remember one thing, if you want to run the program, you have to press F5 key to run. Okay. Input, what is your name? Then input name $sign. Then print hi, name dollar, nice to see you. Then print how old are you. Then input age and then print so you are your age years old. You are the age mentioned, then years old, and lastly you have to write and. This is the QBasic program window. It will show the program here. Now children, look at the screen. Then the AND program, children, AND program tells QBasic that the programs end here. You can also use input command to ask the user to enter the information. Example, input within a quotes write down what is your name, then $sign and name dollar will also give the same result. Then go to statement. Sometimes you want to program to jump to the particular line. Go to statement is used to transfer the control from one statement to another. Syntax, line number mention, then go to, then line number. Okay. If then statement, it is used for making decision. Okay, based on the result of comparisons. The if command has to be followed by the then command. And lastly, the and if command. Okay, syntax if, then condition, then and then statement. If condition is true, then instruction specified after then executed. If the condition is false, the control shift to the and if, ignoring everything about after the then statement on that line. Okay, see the example children. Input name dollar. If name dollar is equal to Vicky, then print hello Vicky. Otherwise and if. Okay, next example is input, do you want to print number 1 to 5? Y dollar is a variable. If Y dollar is equal to yes, then print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lastly and if. Here the program asks you a question. If you enter yes, then it will print 1 to 5 on the screen. Okay children. If then else statement, it is conditional decision making statement. If the condition given after if is true, then the statement specified after then is executed. If condition is false, then is specified after else will be executed. Okay, statement syntax is if, then condition, then statement, else, then statement. Look at the screen children. This is the example. Print the series with a gap of 4 between 1 to 40. Line number 1, n is equal to 1, n is the variable, we are assigning the value 1 to the n variable. Then second line, if n is less than 41, then go to the 30, else go to the 60. Third line, print n, then n is equal to n plus 4, then line number 5, go to the 20, and lastly we have to write and. And is very necessary. At the end you have to write and. Okay. Now children, using graphics and screen statement. Okay. Wait children, first of all we will study about the color statement. Okay. Now color statement, children, the statement, you can see the screen. This statement is used to set attractive screen colors for displaying the text and the graphics. Okay. Line number, then color, then parameter f. Line number, color, parameter f, parameter b. Children, while parameter f specify the foreground color, and parameter b specify the background color. Okay. Children, there are 16 colors for background and foreground colors specified by the value 0 to 15. This is the screen, children. Background colors chart. Okay. 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for cyan, then 4 red, 5 magenta, like this. Okay. See the example, children. Let's create the program to demonstrate the use of color statement. First of all, click color, CLS, clear the screen, then color 2. Color 2 means it will show the color green. Okay, this color. Print foreground color is green. Okay. Next example, CLS, color 14 and 2, comma, then print foreground color is yellow and background color is green. Okay. Two numbers are there, 14 and 2. 14 for yellow, light yellow, and 2 for green. We have to mention here this one. This is the screen of QBasic. Then children, to change the background color of the whole screen, write CLS. First of all, after color statement, this one CLS, clear the screen, then print foreground color is yellow and background color is green. Then this will come. This is the QBasic screen. Now children, clear? Now line statement and drawing tools. Children, look at the screen. The line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points. Okay, 2 points. It is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. For better output and proper color, we should choose the screen mode. Okay, for that support all the 16 colors in the chart. This is the syntax where x1, y1 and y2 and x2 and y2 represent the start and end coordinates of lines drawn in the specific color. Children, it is also available in your computer book on page number 56. Okay. Now children, see the example, children. Line, then color mention, color number, minus, then color number, then comma 1. This program will draw a blue line from the point 1620 all the way to the point 4420. Okay. Again, this is the example how to draw the isosceles triangle with horizontal base. Screen 7, color 414, CLS, then print this triangle, then line, mention the color, okay, color number, then lastly N. This is the screen of QBasic. Okay. Then come to the drawing boxes. With line statement, you can also draw the boxes. Screen 7, color mention 5, 15, then CLS, then line, then mention the color, minus, then color the mention the color, then 6B. The letter B indicates the box option, and this statement coordinates 60, 60 and 130, 100 are the opposite corner of the rectangle. Okay, it will appear on the QBasic screen. Next example, you can see desired color shade. Okay, again screen 7, color 515, then CLS, and then print. This is a rectangle, and last line, then color minus second color 6BF. Okay. Children, it is also available in your book, page number 56. You can study from there also. Okay. Now children, circle statement and creating sound in QBasic. Look at the screen, children. The circle is used to draw the circle, ellipse or an arc of the circle. Syntax is this: circle, xy within a bracket, then comma r and p. The coordinates x and y specify the center location of the circle on the screen. R gives the value of radius and p specify the color code. Okay, p for color code and r for radius. Children, print statement fills an object with the color syntax P within a bracket X and Y color, then border color. Okay. See the example, screen 7, color 14 and 5, then CLS print, this is a circle, and then write down the coding circle syntax, circle, then color, then 70 is the radius and 15 is the color code, then end. Okay, this is the screen of QBasic. Creating sound in a QBasic. Beep statement, children. If you want to add the beep sound, use beep statement. Okay. The syntax of beep is, first of all, CLS input, press enter to hear a beep. Then write down the variable comma a dollar. Okay. Then lastly you have to end this beep. Write down beep. Play, children, it is used to generate the music. If you want to insert the music note, the code used to produce different musical notes are follows. Play, then this is the musical code. Play, musical code, then end. Okay, children. Now, children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.